Okay, so you can see that the layers here are not going to be straight. These worked out, but this did not get thick. So this fragrance was interesting. It was Anjou Pear Blossom from Nature's Garden. And their description said that it didn't rice or accelerate. I mean, didn't rice or discolor, but there was some acceleration. Other people said that they had ricing in their reviews, and when I tested a small bit, I didn't get ricing, but I did get a little bit of acceleration. So when I went to make a big batch, that's what I was expecting. And that's not what I got. So the instant I poured the fragrance in, that section just clumped, I mean, major ricing. And I could stick blend it out. I was afraid it would get thick on me because it said it would accelerate, but it ended up not getting thick. And well, I poured the black layer thinking that, oh, this is gonna, quickly thinking it's gonna set up. Well, as you can see, it did not set up. So, oh my word. I mean, it's not the end of the world. It's just, yeah, it's just frustrating. I mean, basically, the straight lines are not straight lines because it just broke through. But, I mean, it's just frustrating. Like the next couple layers, when I realized that it didn't set up and I had time to really stick blend out the clumping, I did stick blend it, and those definitely set up quicker. So I was able to pour the next layers without lines breaking through. But it's just frustrating when you go through all that work and then that happens. Maybe we can, it's green, but maybe we can call this like a little ocean or pond with some water and the frogs in it, and yeah. I mean, oh well. I have to say though, it does smell good. I do like this fragrance. But yeah, if you use it, potentially you will actually get ricing. And my recipe, which I soaked at, I think my temperatures were about 100, so lower temperatures. You'll have some time apparently to stick blend it. I guess everyone is different, but yeah, this fragrance was a little bit challenging at first.